how I wish I was on the cloud. I can predict instantly. Hi, hello friends. I'm Josh. I'm so happy and glad to be given this opportunity to share about Softlayer cloud computing from a customer perspective. Thank you to IBM.
How many of you heard about cloud computing? And how many of you is really doing cloud computing now? Well, for IONX, we are the very first pioneer in this industry to leverage on Softlayer cloud computing to run our business. We embarked on Softlayer since 2013. That was before Softlayer was acquired by IBM. We are currently having our footprint in 7 countries in Asia, namely Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, Thailand, Philippines, China, and Bangladesh, and serving close to 10 million of mobile subscribers. How can we achieve this? I still remember 1 year ago, I was tasked to develop a product POC for a renowned mobile network operator in Philippines that require high computing power that need to deliver few millions of SMS daily. My management tell my teams, you got to use the least and the cheapest cost to develop this POC because since this is a POC. Well, high computing power means higher server specification. Higher server specification will be eventually associated with high cost. It will going to cost boom to you. So I asked myself, do I really need to invest that much of money just for the sake of concept proving? I was so lucky to meet the regional representative from Softlayer. He told me 3 things. Without further ado, I set up my own virtual machine and hosted my product to complete the POC. And the result was tremendously. And up to today, the server is still up and running. So what are the 3 things that he told me? First, no upfront invest, low ongoing cost. Second, fully customized, flexible storage. Third, speedy deployment and global approach. How much do you think you need to set? How much does it cost you to set up a physical server? 3,000, 5,000, or 10,000 ringgit Malaysia? With Softlayer, you just need 10 times lesser upfront just to build a virtual machine. You hear that? 10 times lesser. Setting a server is a know-how. Most probably, I may need to pay some of you a very expensive consultation fee just to set up this server. So with Softlayer robust customer portal, you can be your own IT consultant for your own company. You don't need other else. Setting up a server is just like having a buffet. You can have the freedom to mix and match any combination you need. End of the day, it is up to you. And the storage is just like a dimmer, right? When you really need it, you just turn it on. When you need brighter, you just upgrade it. When you need small dimmer, you just downsize it. If you don't need it at all, you just turn it off. Most importantly, is to turn it off before the next building cycle. Right? Okay, how long does it take for you to set up a physical server? From getting the initial quotation, from the arrival of the hardware, and subsequently the software installation, most probably it will take you approximately 30 days. With Softlayer, I will just need the same amount of time traveling from here to Penang. Then I can enjoy my laksa there, where my virtual machine is already up and running. Softlayer has a data center across 13 regions. By deploying your service, like maybe website application on Softlayer cloud computing, you can do it globally. It is just like traveling without a passport. Simply, no dependency on multiplication. Right? So these are the proprietary technology from Softlayer, of which the earlier speakers has already covered in more depth details, of which I'm not going to spend time elaborate further. I'll just briefly go through, like the Softlayer network, Softlayer data center, Softlayer storage layer, Softlayer security layer services, Softlayer API 3.0, and Softlayer customer support. And these are all the benefits of Softlayer cloud computing, which I have highlighted earlier in 3 key points. First, no upfront invest, low ongoing cost. Second, fully customizable, flexible storage. And third, speedy deployment and global approach. Having said that, with all the benefits of software cloud computing, I want to ask, who is actually really doing good in this? Well, today, I'm going to share with you a success story, a truly inspiring story that everyone is looking for. On 19 February 2014, WhatsApp was acquired by Facebook with $19 billion. Can you imagine that? $19 billion. This is the largest acquisition of Facebook up to today. So I would like to know, what is actually the key success factor of WhatsApp that contributed them to be a world most popular primary messaging application in 5 years since 2009. They have up to today more than 450 million of users currently engaging with WhatsApp. I think most of you actually is also using WhatsApp at the moment in your phone. So, of course, the application itself is part of it that makes it success. But most importantly is the speed to GTM, go to market. They deploy the application on Softlayer cloud computing. Whenever they want to go to the region, they can just simply replicate it without having to spend so much time. And you can acquire the most of the subscribers in the shortest least time. We are talking about the speed to the market. That is the most critical point. In order for you to steer away from the competition that people is actually copying you, so actually you are moving one step ahead from others. Sorry. IONIX has followed the strategy adopted by WhatsApp. Let's hope one day our product can fly also. We have made the right choice. Have you guys? Thank you. Okay, these are the 3 products that we're currently pursuing. They're hosted on Softlayer cloud computing. First is the Demonic Seal MMORPG mobile online games. Second, iMusic streaming mobile application and Games Hub. You may visit our booth later outside the hall to get a try out on the performance of our product that is hosted on Softlayer. And if you also wish to know more about how to set up a virtual machine from Softlayer, we have our colleague there to give you some advice. We are more happy to share with that. Thank you once again.
Thank you, George.